Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to test this skin tint, Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Serum Skin Tint. So first of all, just fair warning, I have normal to dry skin and I love to try as many as possible because I am always on a hunt to find the best skin tint. I don't want to wear foundation. I rather have something that has nice ingredient into it and doesn't feel too heavy on my skin. I love natural makeup. That is why I do all of these videos. It's because I want to find the best one, and at the end of all of these videos, I'm going to do a top 5 for normal to dry skin. This is truly for you guys if you have normal to dry skin. This is going to be my review of this skin tint. The target customer for this is every skin type. It claims that it is good for every skin type. If you're looking for something lightweight, hydrating, and has a natural looking coverage, this foundation claims that it is for you. So we're gonna try this out a little bit later. Spoiler, I have it on right now and as far I really like it. It has hyaluronic acid that helps to hydrate and plump your skin. It has vegan collagen peptide, so it helps to plump and helps with fine line if you are getting there. I'm literally just entering a part of my life where I kind of see fine lines peeking through. Ceramide that strengthens your skin barrier. It has cactus extract that acts as an antioxidant booster and squalane. So all of these ingredients are really good if you have normal to dry skin. As for the longevity and coverage, it claims to be an all-day foundation, so we are going to test that together today. This product retails for $36. It is available on Danessa Myricks Beauty website as well as Sephora. That's where I got mine. For reference, I'm shade 5, which I feel like this would be my summer shade, definitely not winter, but right now I am a little bit more tan. So we're going to go and move right to the application part of this video, and then we are going to do the wear test throughout the day, and I will give you my final impression for this first day of wearing this product. So let's go ahead and move to the part where I try this foundation for the first time. Consistency wise, it feels like a foundation. I love to blend this with my fingers because that's how I apply my product every day. I really love the glow that it gives. Right away, it feels like it has a light coverage. Let me do just half of my forehead for you guys. Okay, this side has the skin tint, this side doesn't. It doesn't feel tacky. Feels really hydrating. I love that. I love the glow that it gives, and you can still see the skin underneath, which is what I'm looking for. I'm going to go and do the other side right away. Super easy to apply. It sinks in the skin, like it's very hydrating. As someone with normal to dry skin, I love that. You can still see my kind of dark spot underneath. Pretty sure it would be really easy to build up. Right off the bat, I feel like this is more like a light to medium coverage. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go and do my entire makeup, and I'll see you guys right after. Makeup is on. I did a really very basic makeup because today, even though we have a really packed day, I'm going to work a lot from home. I want to work out, and my dog also has grooming. I didn't have to impress anyone with my makeup, and the reason why this is a natural makeup. I didn't do any powder on top. I added blush and mascara, and that was it. It's currently 8:22. And I'll see you guys in a few hours to see how this holds up and how it looks on the skin. But first impression, I really love this. It feels hydrating right away. I love the glow that it gives. It's just going to be a matter of seeing if it holds throughout the day. It's 10:22. I have been working at my computer in my office. I wanted to do a quick checkup with you. I think that it has an amazing glow. The blush is stunning. It doesn't feel tacky. My skin feels hydrated. Quick reminder, I don't think I've mentioned this before, but I didn't put any primer. I didn't set this with any powder. This is truly only the skin tint. We are going to check back a little bit later when we go and bring my dog to the grooming salon and do a quick workout, because I really want to put this skin tint to the test, and I feel like a workout is definitely something that I do on a daily basis, so I want to make sure that it stays put all day. Let's do a little before and after. The before, and let's see the after. It's currently 12:03. This is what the foundation looks like in the bright sunlight. So far so good. I still think that we are having an amazing coverage, an amazing glow. The skin feels really hydrated. An upcoming video, we are going to try the Vital Skincare Complexion Drops from Westman Atelier, and I also got the Skylar Vanilla Sky perfume. It is 12:47. I just finished a very great workout and the foundation seems to look really good still. I am impressed because it was an intense workout. You can still see the blush. Obviously, like the nose area is starting to rub away a little bit, but I mean, I'm putting this to an intense test. I mean, for what I did up to now, I'm pretty impressed. Skin still feels amazing. By the way, I wanted to mention that this foundation is available in 16 shades, which isn't that much, to be honest. We love to see so much more color, but I think that shade 5 was a perfect match for me today. The day has finally come to an end for me. It's 4 o'clock. I am about to go and get my daughter at daycare. I'm just gonna close the window. So I just want to show you guys how it went with the new foundation skin tint that I was trying for today. I can see that under my eyes, my dark circle are coming out a little bit more. I didn't wear any concealer because I really wanted to see how this would hold throughout the day. Yeah, it's definitely more oily than it was this morning, which is so rare because I don't have any type of oil usually on my skin. It's really glowy. And disclaimer, I really don't encourage you guys to work out with foundation. I just did it because I really wanted to see how it would hold if you were in a really hot climate, for instance. You can still see my blush on my cheeks. I think that it did a pretty great job at staying on. I would give it like a 4 out of 5. I really enjoyed this skin tint. I think that it gave me an amazing glow. My skin felt really hydrated throughout the day, so that's a win. All in all, this is a skin tint that I would recommend if your skin is more on the drier side because it is really hydrating. Like I said at the beginning of the video, there is a lot of ingredients that are meant to protect the skin barrier or help with fine line, hydration, making your skin look more plump. So obviously if you have oilier skin, I wouldn't recommend this skin tint, but otherwise I think that this did an amazing job. I didn't wear any primer this morning, only my usual skincare and sunscreen. If you can find a shade between the 16 shades that are available, I would highly suggest that you try it. That is it, you guys. This was my review of this skin tint by Danessa Myricks. If you enjoy this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. Leave a comment down below on what skin tint or tinted moisturizer I should try next. Also, if you are new, welcome. I'm so excited that you are here and I would love for you guys to subscribe so that you don't miss any video and that we can be friends. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.